Hello, thanks for stopping by to learn more about careers here at Peak Structural. My name is Paul Sutton, and together with my wife Lisa, we co-founded Peak Structural in 2002, working out of a small home office and a rented storage garage. Before you go any further down the pathway toward a career here at Peak, it's critically important that you understand some basics about what makes us tick, that you learn about those noble purposes and ideas that we founded the company with, and that we continue to build upon after all these years. Let's take a look. What's our purpose? Our big why? Simple, to redefine our industry, to redefine and then exceed customer expectations, to redefine careers with ongoing training and professional development for our team members, with generous benefits to enrich their lives and those of their families, and to continue to redefine careers with opportunities for advancement. In short, redefining our industry means buckle your seatbelt, because we are building something here at Peak Structural in the home improvement market space which has never been seen before. What's our vision? Every home and workspace stable, warm, and healthy. The products and services we offer can improve the performance, comfort, and value of virtually every single home, and most commercial, institutional, and government buildings as well. We've got a lot of work to do. Come join us. What's our mission? To consistently deliver remarkable experiences. That's right, remarkable experiences. Let's face it, in the world of home improvement today, mediocre service has become the norm. Frustrating experiences with less than professional contractors are all too common. At Peak Structural, we are doing something different. We are working really hard every day to deliver wow experiences, to give our customers something they've never seen before. A truly remarkable sales experience without pressure. A remarkable experience with our professional production and service technicians who install the work, all backed up by remarkable communication and support throughout the process by our eager office staff and management teams. Finally, our values. Our team here at Peak Structural embodies the values of unity, passion, and responsibility. What do we mean? When we say unity, we mean that all of our departments work together as one team. We break down silos and foster good working relationships and friendships all across the company. We are passionate about taking care of each other and our customers. We don't have to, we get to. And we are responsible to do the right thing when we see the needs of our coworkers and our customers around us. Thank you for taking a few moments to hear about what is most important to us here at Peak Structural. It has always been my philosophy to hire based upon attitude and talent, knowing that we can train the right people in the specialized skills that they'll need. If these big ideas resonate with you, you may be a great fit for a career here at Peak. I hope you'll take the opportunity to explore some of our other career page videos and articles to learn more about career opportunities here at Peak Structural.